tuning in to watch this short video on marine ecosystems. You might be wondering, what is a marine ecosystem? Well, a marine ecosystem is the largest of aquatic ecosystems. It includes oceans, saltwater marshes, estuaries, lagoons, coral reefs, and the deep sea. The two main types of saltwater ecosystems that I would like to focus on during this video are estuaries and coral reefs. You might be wondering, what is an estuary? Well, in its most basic definition, an estuary is a transition zone between freshwater and saltwater. Some things that are common in estuaries are nutrient-rich water, large amounts of many different species, and fish nurseries. Some examples of estuaries are bays, harbors, lagoons, and inlets. Moving on to the next type of marine ecosystem, coral reefs are structures developed over long periods of time by the plant coral and the calcium carbonate produced by this plant. Coral reefs are found in warm, shallow, and clear water. 25% of marine species can be found in coral reefs, making them some of the most diverse ecosystems in the world. The food chain in marine ecosystems is very similar to that of other ecosystems. First, there are living things grown by the sun and by nutrients around it that we will call the primary producers. Included in this category are phytoplankton, which are photosynthesizing microorganisms which grow in the upper euphotic zone of the ocean, and seaweed and algae, which grow mainly in shallow water. Next, there are herbivore consumers. This category includes zooplankton, which are basically tiny floating animals, and also cockles, some examples of which include clams and mollusks. Next, we have first-level carnivores. These include young fish, jellyfish, small fish, crustaceans, and sea stars. Next is second-level carnivores. This is a category mainly for large fish. The top level of carnivores living in marine ecosystems includes animals like sharks and dolphins. Lastly, there are carnivores that live outside of marine ecosystems. Some of these are humans and birds. Lastly, I'm going to cover marine ecosystem destruction. Mother Nature encompasses many things that cause destruction to marine ecosystems. Some of these include hurricanes, typhoons, storms, tsunamis, and other things. Humans also do many things to cause destruction. Some of these are filling in wetlands for development, construction of dams, which reduces the nutrient flow to estuaries, deforestation, which can cause silt to run into the water and block out light, destructive fishing habits such as trolling, tourism, ships and anchors, and oil and chemical spills. That wraps up a basic overview of what a marine ecosystem is.